Alright, let's see what we got here. Oops. Bounced off my model. Let me turn it up a little bit. It's too bright. I'll turn it back down. But, let's see. Okay. Desk a little junky. After work. Flight.
Low battery. Telemetry connected.
Low battery. Turn that on. What's it talking about? We got 8 volts here, so I don't know what it's talking about. Anyways. Let's see, lights on or light off. We'll leave them off for now. See what happens. Let's get the next strap out of all of this mess. I'll turn them on for a second. I haven't set up that switch. But we'll go here. Might cut off. Only records like 3 minutes. But we'll see what we got here. Got a little black for the front. Okay.
Throttle cut. Throttle active. Low battery. Armed.
Still doing basic stuff because I just set this one up on this radio. Only got one flight mode for it, but I'm still doing orientations. And like I said, this is the front.
Low battery.
It's saying 7.5 volts, but it's saying low battery. Anyway, these little things are a little wild. Got to work on it. Beta flight isn't, Lua isn't working yet for CX4. So let's see what we got here. 7.4 volts. Still good for a little while. It's a little squirrely. I think because I didn't set her up right on the table. A little wonky.
Low battery.
Alright, we'll start back up again because the battery, well, the timer ran out on the glasses. Still got 7.4 volts. Timer still running. And 302 as you can see. Got a trimmer out, so let's see what we can do. So I still only use these things for orientation. I'm not a drone guy, but everything has its purpose. This one is a little bit squirrelier than the helicopter, so that's what I use it for. Just try to work with it a little bit. I gotta fix that thing. Talking about low battery, and the battery is on. What's 7.2. Crazy thing. Got to turn that off.
Low battery.
Shut up. This is my life.
Low battery.
What better way to bring in a birthday than flying? So, well, here's another better way, but today, this is the goal. Alright, so, probably going to cut off in a minute, so if the video cuts off, I just wanted to do a little practice flight with the drone. keep my fingers on the sticks.
Low battery.
Let's see. Yeah. Check the voltage. Still at 7.1. You see down there below my neck strap.
1 minute.
These things actually get a long time, you know, because I'm not darting them around, you know, like they're flying, and I'm not doing that goggle thing. I've got the throttle curve down pretty low, so it lasts a good 5-10 minutes, and I don't know what this thing is saying that.
Low battery.
It's something I put in here.
29, 28, 27, 26,
Okay.
25.
I think I'm gonna land it because it's time for me to go to bed anyway.
20, 19, 18.
Okay, this is the last little piece. I'm just gonna re-land it
12,
and disarm it.
low battery. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Well, that wasn't too smooth.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1
All right, so we try this again. We gotta capture all the crazy stuff too.
Low battery.
All right, so this lander and
Throttle
throttle cutter and
Disarmed.
disarmed. So that's the end of this little flight. See you guys later.